kind of interesting. I've been given a number of things to test by various manufacturers. Some of them almost comical to give to a man. Like I was given well, I guess not. That's kind of a prejudicial statement. But I was given a coffee maker, espresso maker, to try out, which actually worked really well. So I was quite happy to try that. I am a coffee enthusiast. Are you a coffee enthusiast? Yeah, I like coffee. He likes me coffee. And that was kind of a fun one. But these kind of come out of the blue. The manufacturers send me invitations via email, and I go out and they say, hey, would you try it? We'll send you the product. Just make an honest video review. And they all work. It's not like you get one and it doesn't work. So they all work. So you got to say basically that in the beginning. But you can make some little, you can find some quirks about it or some things that people might need to know so that they can use it successfully themselves. Kids just getting out of school here. So that's been fun, and several bicycle racks. I have an e-bike, as many of you might know, that I really do enjoy riding. And then, like I said, that coffee machine and a couple of other items. So that's been a fun hobby, and that's kept me kind of busy in the rainy days that we've had here. So I really like that. That's been fun. And of course, haven't done a lot of changes or modifications to the bike because there isn't much opportunity to ride. Now, you guys back east, take it easy, don't be harsh. I know you guys say, oh, ride in a little rain, I do that, no biggie. Well, it's California, and I'm a Californian. And I'm a gentle Californian. I'm a little spoiled. So what I do at this stage of my life is I don't ride in the rain, and I don't typically go out and try to ride in traffic. I just don't have to, and I don't want to be worried about traffic. I don't want it to distract from the experience of riding. So I don't. And but the chance to get out and do a quick little shot around the neighborhood on a beautiful day like this, priceless, just priceless.